Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer exclusive to data experts and large corporations. Thanks to the democratization of AI, there are tools accessible to all types of workers, from operational staff to senior management. Here's an overview of how these tools can automate tasks, improve decision-making and optimize workflows, regardless of level or department. If you are looking for ways to implement AI in your company and improve efficiency at all levels, stay until the end of the video. Operational staff, who perform repetitive and support tasks, can benefit greatly from AI tools that automate simple processes. 3 key examples are shown: chatbots and virtual assistants. Tools such as ChatGPT, Drift and Zendesk automate customer service, answering frequent queries and referring complex cases to human agents. Automatic transcription. Software such as Otter.ai allows meetings to be recorded and automatically transcribed, facilitating action tracking. Automation with RPA. UiPath and Automation Anywhere automate tasks such as data entry in ERP systems or inventory updating, saving time and reducing errors. These tools simplify daily work and allow operational staff to focus on more strategic tasks. Administrative employees, who handle large volumes of information, can use AI tools to automate processes and improve the accuracy of their reports. We see several practical examples. Data analytics with Power BI and Tableau. These platforms allow you to create interactive visualizations and analyze data without advanced programming skills. Email automation with Zapier and Make. These tools integrate Gmail, Outlook, and CRM systems to organize the inbox, send automatic replies, and classify emails. Automatic document generation with DocuSign and PandaDoc. These platforms automate the creation of contracts and forms, facilitating electronic signatures and reducing management time. These tools improve the efficiency of administrative employees, allowing them to focus on higher-value tasks. Supervisors and managers need to make quick decisions based on data. We see several useful tools for this profile. Predictive analytics with BigML and RapidMiner. These platforms enable predictive analytics on sales and inventory, helping to anticipate trends and adjust strategies. Project management with AI. Platforms such as Monday.com and Asana use AI to automate task assignment and optimize workflow. Sentiment analysis with MonkeyLearn and Lexalytics. These tools allow analyzing surveys and feedback, making it easier to identify problems in the work climate and customer experience. With these tools, managers can better manage their resources and make informed decisions efficiently. Top management needs advanced tools that allow them to have a holistic view of the business and adjust strategy in real time. In this image, we see several examples of several key tools. Advanced BI with Qlik and Tableau. These platforms enable managers to visualize business performance and spot emerging trends to make strategic decisions. Risk analytics with Palantir and SAS. These tools analyze financial and operational risks, using predictive models to evaluate different economic scenarios. Resource optimization with AI platforms. Tools such as Power BI integrated with ERP allow executives to optimize resource management and improve operational efficiency. These technology solutions help managers align operations with corporate strategy and maximize performance. The availability of accessible AI tools enables everyone from operational staff to managers to improve efficiency and make more informed decisions. We take a look at how these tools help automate routine tasks, optimize workflow, and free up time for higher-value activities. Proper implementation of these solutions can transform the way your company operates and strengthen its competitiveness. If you want to implement accessible AI tools in your organization to optimize processes and improve decision-making at all levels, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we can develop a strategy that maximizes the impact of artificial intelligence in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.